Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check IP address on Windows 10. Knowing your IP address can be useful for troubleshooting network issues or configuring network settings. So let's start the video. To check IP address on Windows 10, open Control Panel by clicking on the Start menu icon. Now type Control Panel in search. Now click to open the Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on Network and Sharing Center. So this is our Wi-Fi network. Next to Connections, click on your Wi-Fi network name. A new window Wi-Fi status will appear. Click on the Details button to view your IP address as well as other connection information. Here you can see both IPv4 address and IPv6 address as well. That's it. Checking your IP address on Windows 10 is quick and easy. Thanks for watching.